Hello everyone, this is Nitin Mohod, and through this video we are going to solve the different Boolean equations by using Boolean laws. So first problem here given is C plus BC whole bar, and we have to simplify it. To simplify it, we can clearly see here that BC bar, for this part of the expression we can apply De Morgan's second law, as it is very similar to that. The complement of product can be converted into the sum of complements. So we can write it as C as it is, plus by applying De Morgan's law to this, BC whole bar can be written as B bar plus C bar by using De Morgan's second law. Now by applying commutative and associative law to this, we can rewrite the expression by transferring the terms like C and C bar taken together like this, C plus C bar, plus B bar taken outside the bracket. Now C plus C bar, by applying OR law to this, we can get it is equal to 1 plus B bar as it is. Again by applying OR law to this, we will get 1 plus B bar equal to 1. So this is how we can reduce this equation. Moving on to the next, here we have to simplify A dot B whole bar into bracket A bar plus B into second bracket B bar plus B. Now this is the original expression given to us. By applying OR law to this, B bar plus B, we will get, if one term is 0, second has to be 1. So in that case, this is equivalent to 1. So remaining term will remain as it is, A dot B whole bar into bracket A bar plus B into, this is turned into 1. So we will not take this into picture. Now here we are applying again second De Morgan's theorem to this A dot B whole bar. So we will get this term as A bar plus B bar into second bracket A bar plus B. Now again we are applying distributive law to this. So we are multiplying the terms in this bracket by the terms in the second bracket, and we will get A bar plus A bar dot B bar plus A bar B plus B bar B. And now by applying AND laws, A bar dot A bar will be converted to A bar. By seeing AND laws you can get it clear. Then A bar is taken common here, into bracket we will get B bar plus B, and B bar dot B will be turned into 0 by applying the AND law. So this will not come in the picture. Now we are getting A bar plus A bar into bracket B bar plus B. Now B bar plus B, again we can apply OR law to this. So B bar plus B will be turned into 1. So we will get A bar plus A bar. And again we can apply here OR law to this. So it is similar to A plus A. A plus A is A. So A bar plus A bar will be A bar. So this is how this expression can be simplified and reduced to A bar. Moving on to the next. Here it is asked to solve and prove the left hand side equals to right hand side. Now the expression on the left hand side given is A plus B into second bracket A plus C, and we have to show it equal to A plus BC. Now left hand side of the equation we have taken here, and we are going to solve it and prove it that it is equivalent to A plus BC. So now here we are applying distributive law. So by multiplying this bracket by this bracket, we will get AA plus AC plus AB plus BC. So we'll get these terms. Here we know that A dot A is A, so we are turning this A dot A into A. Then AC will be as it is, then AB plus BC. Now here we are taking A common, and into bracket 1 plus C will come, plus remaining terms as it is. And now here A outside the bracket, and 1 plus C is nothing but, by applying OR law, 1 plus C is equal to 1. So we will write here 1 plus AB plus BC. Now A is taken outside the bracket, into bracket we will get 1 plus B from here plus BC as it is. Here again we are applying OR law, that is 1 plus B will be converted to 1, and finally we will get equals to A plus BC. So we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Moving on to the next example, here we will have to show A plus A bar B plus AB bar equals to A plus B. So we have considered here again left hand side of the equation, and we are solving it to get it is equal to a plus b. So here now a plus a bar b can be standard way. In a standard way it can be written as a plus b. So we have written a plus a bar b as a plus b and plus ab bar as it is. Now we have taken a common from this term, and into bracket we got 1 plus b bar, and this b we have taken afterwards. Now 1 plus b bar, by applying OR law to this, it is equal to 1. So we will get a plus b, which is nothing but the right hand side of the expression. So this way we have proved left hand side equal to right hand side. Moving on to the last example, a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Now here again we have to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. So we have considered left hand side. Now here we can write, instead of a, we can write a into 1. Yes, because a into 1 is a. So we are writing this term a as a into 1. So a into 1 plus a bar b. Now again we are changing this 1 into 1 plus b, because 1 plus b is nothing but 1 according to OR law. So 1 plus b is very equivalent to 1. So instead of 1 we have written 1 plus b. A was there, so a we have written here, plus this term a bar b we have taken here. Then by applying the distributive law, we can get a into 1 a, then a into b ab, plus a bar b as it is. Now here a we have taken, plus b is taken common from these two terms, and into bracket we will get a plus a bar. Now a plus a bar, we can again apply OR law to this. So a plus a bar will be turned into 1. So this is a plus b into 1, which is nothing but a plus b, which is the right hand side of the equation. So I hope we have seen different problems which we have solved through the Boolean laws, and we have reduced the Boolean equation to the simplest way possible through these examples. So I hope the idea about this is clear to you. Thank you.